All right, wheel number 2 on the Porsche is just right here. It's fairly deep, but I think I can just sand that out. While I'm getting set up here, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I will sand out this damage and get this wheel repaired. All right, and then we'll take our 1500 grit scuff pad, go over everywhere I just sanded, and get this ready for paint. I do have all the paints I use linked in the description below now. We cover that with clear coat. And then we'll use the clear coat blender on the edges to blend this in.